Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card I have to share with you today. It's this gorgeous sunflower. I hope you like it. So let me show you what I did. I stamped and then I've added extra detail using my Stampin' Blend markers to deepen the colour and shade it a bit. So the sunflower stamp we're using is this one called Celebrate Sunflowers. I'm going to use this lovely sunflower and these leaves. I'm going to stamp a sunflower here in Daffodil Delight to give it a really good ink up, down, really good press, and one more time for luck. Lovely. Okay, so whoopsie daisy, getting ink all over my fingers already, never a good thing. Let's take this out, and we need to clean our sunflower stamp so we can take it out the stamp apparatus. Let's give it a nice clean, like that. Okay, and put that aside, and now we're going to stamp our sentiment quickly, and this is from Sunny Sentiments, and it's thought you could use some sunny thoughts today. So let's put this in here again, and let's put this here somewhere, pick it up, and this time we are going to stamp it in Misty Moonlight, which is this one here. Okay, and clean up the stamp again and take this out here, and then take this out of here and get rid of our stamp apparatus. Excuse about the noise. I'm going to put that there for now. And then from the first stamp set, the Celebrate Sunflowers, I've got some leaves, and we're going to stamp that here in Mossy Meadow. So I'm going to do 2 sets. So let's do 1, 2, and then 1, 2. Okay. So let me explain what I'm going to do next. Next, I'm going to do the colouring, and I'm going to use the matching markers. So I've got Daffodil Delight here, Mossy Meadow, Crumb Cake and Soft Suede, and I'm going to put you on fast forward, but I will show you how I add colour to all of these images. So I'm going to colour them all in and then cut them out, and then I'll see you back. Okay, so I coloured everything in and cut it all out. So now we can start to assemble our card. So our card base here is thick Whisper White, and I've got a piece here of the Misty Moonlight Designer Series paper, and I'm going to just, whoops, sorry for the squeak, I'm just going to stick this down to my card base, just like that. And then I'm going to put my sentiment down next. I'll just cut this out freehand with my trimmer. I'm just going to put this in the corner there. And now here's my flower, and I'm going to just stick this down with a few dimensionals just here in the center so that I can tuck stuff underneath as I wish. So get rid of those backings. Let's see, how do we want this to go? Too much faff, and it'll go like that. Okay, I'm going to use some Tombow now, and I'm going to just tuck these underneath my flower, I think like that. Maybe one here, like that, and then some little ones. Oops. And then some more. I'm just sort of creating a cluster of leaves here at the base. I think this one's gonna go. Let's see. Something like that, I think. I've got a bit too much glue there, so I'll just get rid of some of that. So the good tissue is invaluable, and everything's sticking to me as usual. Doesn't matter how hard I try, it all ends up sticking to me. Story of my life. Whee! Flying glue as well. Okay, so there we have, that's what we have so far. So all our flowers are stuck down. Now I'm going to bring on these. These are some Resin Stars, and let's use some of these this time. And I'm going to just put some here, just like that. And there you have our 2 cards. I hope you liked them. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up to YouTube now, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want more information about this project, the supply list, measurements, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, it's Joy being creative. Bye!